Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the April 2019 Electrical Engineering Boards. Specifically, this is under ng differential equations. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Andre Joshua Dignum at saka kay Ralph Lauren. And thank you so much to the two of you na palaging sumusuporta ay nanonood sa channel ni Sir IJ. God bless you always. Which of the following differential equations describes a family of circles centered at the y-axis? So, ang pinaka-main concept kasi dito is ano po ba, Sir IJ, yung standard equation ng isang circle. So, considering a circle with center located at h, k and with radius r, so radius is equal to r, so the standard form rather, is equal to or is given by x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. However, it was given that we are looking for a family of circles centered at the y-axis. So if we have a center located at the y-axis, it follows that h is equal to 0, or the center will now be located at 0, k. Right, guys? So I hope that is clear because it is located or the center is at the y-axis. So rewriting the given standard equation, so we have x squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. And then since we are just looking for the differential equations, let us recall the concept of the elimination of arbitrary constants. Notice that x and y are the primary mainly used variable, right? So considering k and r as arbitrary constants, we have two arbitrary constant that needs to be eliminated. So we have to eliminate k and r by differentiating it. How many times, guys? Okay, that is correct. The number of times that you will differentiate is the number of arbitrary constants in the given equation. Since we have two, dalawa po yung arbitrary constants natin, twice din tayo mag-differentiate. So what is the derivative of x squared? So that is 2x or ij plus derivative nito. So power rule 2 multiplied by y minus k times derivative ng loob, which is ang derivative ng y ay y prime. Ito, power rule, binaba ko lang yung 2 and then bawas ng isang exponent, kaya naging ganyan, equals r squared is a constant pa rin naman. So the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is now our first derivative. Pwede din natin itong simplify by multiplying both sides of the equation by 1/2 or parang dinivide lang natin sa 2. So what will happen is it will become x plus y minus k, y prime is equal to 0. I hope that is clear, mga Lodi Cakes, to everyone listening. So we already differentiated it once, so we have to differentiate it one more time because we have two arbitrary constants. So the derivative of x is equal to 1 plus, we will be using, okay, that's correct, we will be using the product rule, udv plus vdu. So we have y minus k multiplied by, what is the derivative of y prime? That is y double prime, Sir IJ, plus y prime multiplied by the derivative of y minus k. K is a constant, the derivative is 0. The derivative of y is y prime. And still the derivative of constant is equal to 0. So what will happen then, Sir IJ? So we can simplify everything. So 1 plus y minus k, y double prime plus y prime quantity squared. However, the problem here is that there is still a k variable on the second differentiation or on the second derivative. But we can use this equation, let's say this is equation 1, to eliminate the y minus k in terms of x and y only. So what we will do is we will be rearranging this as y minus k, y prime is equal to x will be negative x on the right side. So isolating, we have y minus k is equal to negative x over y prime. And then you will just substitute it to this second derivative and then you will arrive at the final answer. So y minus k equals negative x over y prime. So we have 1 plus y minus k will be replaced with negative x all over y prime. So ij multiplied by y double prime plus y prime quantity squared equals 0. So nawala yung 0 equals 0 dito. And then simplify everything by multiplying this by y prime. So what will happen, Sir IJ? Y prime minus xy double prime, y prime squared times y prime, that is plus y prime, this must be y prime cube is equal to 0. However, the answer started with a positive xy double prime. So, multiply lang everything by negative 1 or just lipat lang natin sa right side. So, multiplying by negative 1 will give us the final answer which is xy double prime minus y prime quantity cube minus y prime is equal to 0. And this will now be our final answer for the given board problem, which is letter D. So I hope guys may natutunan kayo or even na-refresh kayo for today's video, especially in the differential equations topic. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. God bless you always mga idolo. I hope you'll learn more sa mga previews and even in the future engineering and math related contents ni Sir IJ. Bye-bye and God bless po.